I know why they're ramming the fucking gate to rubble. They want to remove the rubble.
We need some
I wish
bronze
we could
as
see
well.
the actual areas. But
Oh, true. There's some up there on the level, the top level.
Vornation on top.
yeah.
Top of your
A strategic
mom.
blunder.
Got him.
That's a
Oh.
rock.
Got
Oh
him
shit.
on top of your
No, no,
mom.
no, 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 no.
Come on, come on.
Can I please get up?
They're about to swarm. They're about to swarm.
Battle.
Let me grab a bite real quick.
So I have ink stream on, so I'm just hearing it.
We can't keep doing that.
Alabama, can you join me? Join us for a
Wow,
second.
holy smokes, dude.
On the run.
What the
You want to give
fuck?
it a third
Funnily
one.
enough, I tried to psyop.
Yeah, beat the shit out of that Poncho. If you have amazing, kill it. Uh-oh.
Oh,
Earth Gate.
Yeah. No,
Yes,
100%,
that's
100%.
exactly what it is.
You guys
Hey, together. What the hell? Why is everyone so spread apart?
You're gonna throw the flash.
Fuck you! Fuck the horse!
Keep knocking, keep
Good,
moving.
good. I don't know where you guys are. I don't think they have full sets.
in the inner keep.
No,
I think they're.
don't
they only
overcommit.
have, like,
There's
heavy-
It's clear. Wait,
No, no,
clear.
no. Yeah, sure.
Oh,
Guys,
stay hard. You
throw the rocks at the pagans.
No, stay hard.
all up. They're cooked. There's so many of you.
Go
fuck?
back to those
Yeah.
archers. Keep hitting those guys.
Yeah.
Keep these
Yeah,
guys.
yeah.
Easy.
Down, they are down, they can suck.
Just murder. Alright, to the next one.
Keep
pushing.
Push.
Ooh,
That's a good oil flask. Who has ever had an oil flask? Throw them at the.
Yeah, the north.
That would have been the moment to throw that oil flask, to be honest, guys.
Tavern naked guys, naked guys, naked guys. To the tavern, jump down.
On the breach gate.
Oh, I ran right back.
Bro, you
That's
talk with your
Go,
avatar.
go. Breach, boys. Breach.
Yeah, it's one breach.
Oh my
and
God.
four.
Go.
No, the naked guys, not the naked guys.
Guys, I think this is the
Hell
last
yeah,
thing.
Vegas, burned it down.
Shit. Oh no. Back up. Back up my pointy stick. Oh god,
Now we
yes.
have to free the
Handsome
guys on
Piff
the
fell
Bye,
down.
hemorrhoids, I love you.
The biggest voring session of the year.
We have 3 ancient keeps we need to take to secure this new land.
Whoa.
Cheat with an archer.
Okay, you on.
Dude,
see
hey,
if he
pagans,
dies.
we look good as fuck right now, boys.
Hell
We
yeah.
look good as fuck right now.
Bring them the presence of the pagans.
Look at the medium kits with the long swords.
What the hell are we gonna shoot them point blank?
Come and get it.
Same
I
as
think
just
we're
gonna
just gonna hit those T3 pieces.
our walls, and you guys know.
Gotcha. You're right.
Stay
Take-
hard. Stay
Take
hard.
your sword and stick it up your ass.
slightly off left.
Stay hard. Hear me out.
Hey, they got the archer.
You guys give me
Millimeter.
15k silver, and I do not, just destroy your other camp. Okay? Okay, so give me 50k, and I don't humiliate you by destroying your other siege camp.
I don't trust like that. These devs
Do
don't.
not get between that thing and the wall. That might fucking glitch you
Yeah.
somewhere.
Kill him.
Okay.
Come on.
Fucking.
I'm beast fast.
Go on, guys, we got this.
Eat combat food. Eat combat food.
Die
It's
here.
gonna be a fucking mace fest.
Yeah.
I'm using
Maces forward. Maces forward.
Then getting the
I'm
stab.
sleeping.
There's no retreat, guys.
Jump down, boys,
Jump down.
Go push.
They're stabbing
Push,
with
push,
long
push,
swords.
go.
The mom. Push the mom.
Push.
Press space. Press
Push
space.
forward.
Go. Push forward.
Pagans forward.
Oh my god. Pagans go.
My dick. My dick, mate.
winning.
They are melting.
Come in on their right.
I'm knocking him on the parapet.
On their right.
Victory.
Yeah, we got them.
Come boys, get them.
We always win.
Every test, lads.
Kill this one. Nice.
Yeah, I died. Grab the kid if you can. Grab
I'm
it.
almost dead. Move. I'm
Get
almost
out of
dead.
here, you Luke out.
Yeah, but you're dead, you little bitch.
Way to go.
At least one guy in diapers.
And they might do friendly fire as well. And it's
Out the
nighttime.
way, I'm gonna
It's
see if I
nighttime.
can make them
This is
like.
Well, I will show up.
Let's go get him. Cut him off.
Tip spears.
By the way-
Impregnate you.
What kind of spear did you have, Moji?
Oh,
What
you
a
know,
cock-
superior.
Oh,
Oh my God.
Go back.
Take cover.
Damn. Didn't stun. Didn't.
I was about to run over and grab it.
I'm gonna
Hey,
flash this
dumbass
though. I'm gonna
fucking-
flash
you
this.
wanna
Get
that
off.
dumbass
Don't
scorpion going
poke
this
your head.
far.
They're hitting your head.
That was the stupidest fucking thing I've ever done.
Poke their feet.
That was a ghetto mission from start to finish.
Don't go that way.
These archers.
Nice.
Does the axe actually work?
No, it doesn't.
No.
I hear blister. I hear blister.
Does anyone know shield?
Bandite, don't stand still.
All right. We are 3 doors away from the keep now.
We'll slap them. You heard that.
Back inside, buddy. Let's fucking
keep doing what
I don't know, something's-
And we did it on
Yo,
the last game, that's why they
ancients,
couldn't get it
prepare
on.
Yeah,
to
they
push.
reinforced
I'm
that
gonna
door.
fuck them,
No,
all
but
pagans.
Pagan is the
Prepare to
reinforcement
push.
door. You guys might
action.
well just surrender or something, dude,
It's black.
I know
telling
this
you,
is
never-
not-
If you have
Never
silver,
mind.
if
you have silver, you buy avatar. I'm dropping chest
pieces here, so you
can at least fight.
If you're
auxiliary, don't hold the front. If you're auxiliary, don't hold the
walk
front.
around this door,
I did the
really,
reinforce
honestly?
after. They're reinforced.
You might be able to hop
Okay.
You might be able to walk around this door.
If you need to get
It's a bit tough, but I think you might be right on.
Get this here. Get this here if you can.
Where are you?
In the kitchen.
Oh!
In the kitchen.
What's up,
So
party?
where's the
What?
kid?
Stop throwing.
Grab me some food.
Oh my god. See, that's
What
why I
the
burned in
fuck?
here. That's why I
Oh,
burned
Kenzo,
in
no.
here.